Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083769, or this update on your Windows 11 computer. Because of this error, something didn't go as planned. No need to worry, undoing changes. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make or click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, now copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Again run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once done, run the last command and then hit the enter key. Once this is done, restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once pause, click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Let the scan complete. This process will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769, or this update, whichever is giving you the error. Paste the update. You can write down the name of the update, click on search, and then check your Windows version. Type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And for me, it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version, and then go to Windows settings, system, go to about option, check your system type. So for me it's a 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083769 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, and then restart your PC, and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. Now this process will take some time, and once this is done, restart PC and then check. Next step is to close all kinds of third-party application. When you install the update, close everything. Make sure only the update is running. Rest, close everything. Uninstall any third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, or any anti-cheat program, you can uninstall it, restart your PC, and then update your Windows 11. Now, if you have any third-party antivirus running on your computer, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once the update is installed successfully, you can enable your antivirus program once again. The last step is last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on finish and let this close automatically. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.